councils of elders representing Meru, Tharaka, Embu, Mbere, Mwea people, na washukuru kwa kuingia hapa siku ya leo. Distinguished leaders present. Hakuna ladies, lakini wacha niseme ladies, manake najua hata ladies nje ya fence wanatusikiza. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you today filled with profound pride and humility. Look around, this gathering is symbolic and monumental. Here sit the custodians of our culture, guardians of our heritage, and the moral compass of our communities. When the elders of Meru, Tharaka, Embu, Mbere, and Mwea, and to a certain extent, wale weko pande jirani Nyaga, together under one shade, it is not by accident. It is a return to our roots, mizizi. It is a declaration that the bonds forged by our ancestors along the fertile slopes of Kirinyaga and Nyambene and the flowing waters of Tana remain unbroken. We gather today for a noble purpose to affirm our wavering solidarity as the people of Mount Kenya East. For generations, the Ameru, the Embu, the Ambere, the Akamba, who live amongst us, have shared more than just a border. We share a common history, a common values and deeply interwoven destiny. From the highlands of Meru to the rolling hills of Embu, from the plains of the Raka to the heartland of Mbere and Mwea, our forefathers taught us the strength lies in brotherhood. They taught us that one house in the homestead is strong, the entire village sleeps unono in peace. Today, we face modern challenges of economic growth, agricultural markets for our coffee, tea, macadamia, avocados, muguka, mera, youth unemployment, and infrastructure development. Just as our ancestors solved complex matters under the secretaries of council, we too must face today's challenges with a singular, unified strategy. Your Excellency, Professor Kithure Kindiki, your presence here today as our Deputy President is a moment of immense significance for Mount Kenya East. You're a son of this soil, raised on the values of humility, scholarship, integrity, and hard work that define our region. We gather here to send a very strong and unmistakable message to this nation, Kenya. Mount Kenya East stands united, and we stand firmly with you. Muroro, Njuri Njeke die. When one of our sons is given responsibility to serve the Republic at the very highest level, our duty, kama wazee, elders, and the community members is not to fragment or compete internally, but to offer a strong, steady foundation of support. Your success is the success of our region and the nation at large. My esteemed elders, who I love, our people look to us for direction. Our wives, our children. Division is a luxury we cannot afford to have. Tuko pamoja? Political seasons come and go. I was a very powerful man in this country many years ago. I used to be guarded by 25 policemen, 5 at home, my family. Today, Professor Kindiki, I walked there alone, single-handedly, other than one driver who brought me here. Hata wengine wajua yao itafika mwisho. Let Mount Kenya East speak with one voice in resource allocation, development priorities, and national decision-making. When Meru prospers, Tharaka gains. When Embu rises, Mbeere and Mwea thrive. Let us build unbreakable economic and social bridges among our 3 counties. Let us mentor our young people so they inherit not division, but a legacy of cooperation, self-reliance, and respect. We must respect each other. Njuri Njeke Elders. Mororo. Thy. Your Excellency, as you lead alongside my longtime friend for many years, His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, know that you have a united, peaceful, hard-working background supporting you here and beyond. Njuri Njeke Elders. Mororo. Thy. To our Council of Elders, let us continue to be the pillar of wisdom that keeps our community glued together. May the peace of the mountain rest upon all our homes, our farms, and our nation. Thank you. God bless Mount Kenya. God bless Kenya. Njuri Njeke Elders. Thy. Mororo. Wale ambao wamesahau